So this is my friend Aaron, and he's really self-sufficient, right? Can y'all tell me how is he self-sufficient? What does he do on his own?
He buys himself farming. He's picking stuff.
He's farming. He's picking stuff.
He's growing stuff.
That's the most important part. That he's growing stuff, and he is. What can he do after he grows it? Now he can eat it. He can sell it. All right, y'all. So what are we going to sell at the end of the year?
Oh wait. Fruits?
The girls are selling fruits already.
Art.
You want to sell art? I love it.
Oh yeah, art.
Art? We're going to sell some art?
Sure, shirts.
We can, ooh, we can make some shirts.
I'm already good at drawing.
Hi guys, it is Darrell and King.
Bye.
We're gonna be selling this on shirts. If y'all want one, just please.
Hey, so what's the name of y'all business?
Food art.
Yeah, food art.
No, artist.
The artist.
Yeah, the artist.
The artist. And what do y'all sell at the artist?
Art food. Food art.
No. Healthy food, that's art.
Yeah.
Yes, amazing. All right, so y'all sell food art. Can y'all tell me, like, what type of food is your art cooking? Like, what's going on?
Vegetables.
Yeah, we cooking vegetables, fruit.
Wow. So what do you guys sell here at the artist?
We sell Sonic. We sell Chef Jah. That's my job. You Flash, Peter, flutes, sharp.
All right, y'all got a question. So why are the superheroes on y'all art eating vegetables? Why?
They're not eating it, they cooking it.
Okay. Why?
They cooking it because they want to be healthy and not fat.
Because they want to be healthy and strong.
Do y'all think they can save the world and fight crime if they ate junk food?
No! They're going to be like a sumo.
They could be like a super.
Yo, when they fat and they supposed to fight?
No, they just supposed to be just pushing.
Yeah, be pushing each other to get out there.
No, with their stomach.
Yeah.
Oh, man. So as artists, y'all about to put these images on some shirts, I heard, and y'all selling them. Is that true?
Yes.
And how much are y'all going to charge for them?
Up $100 billion.
$100 billion?
$1.
They all going to have different prices.
Yeah.
Because they different shirts.
$10, $4.
No, $4 is too.
Peace and love, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning into Culinary Conversations. This was my boys from Nathan Hale Elementary School in Cleveland, Ohio. They are starting their own entrepreneurship venture, getting into what is self-sufficiency and farm to fork. Thanks.